Why won't my Honeywell thermostat work after changing the batteries, and how do I fix it?
Welcome. Today, we're tackling an issue that many of you have faced: why your Honeywell thermostat isn't working after changing the batteries, and of course, how to fix it. Don't worry, we're going to go step by step to get your thermostat up and running again.
Did you install the batteries correctly?
The first thing to check is if the batteries have been installed correctly. Incorrect battery installation is a common issue that can cause your thermostat to not power up. 1. Remove the batteries and check the battery compartment for any direction indicators. 2. Confirm that you've installed the batteries in the right direction, aligning the positive, plus, and negative terminals correctly.
Are the batteries new and fully charged?
Another important point to consider is whether the batteries themselves are new and fully charged. Old or partially discharged batteries may not provide enough power to run the thermostat. 1. Make sure you're using new, fully charged batteries. 2. Consider using a battery tester or another device to confirm that your batteries have full power.
Is there any corrosion or damage in the battery compartment?
Sometimes, the issue may not be with the batteries but with the battery compartment itself. 1. Check for any signs of corrosion or damage in the battery compartment. This could be caused by leaking batteries in the past. 2. If there's any corrosion, clean it gently with a soft brush and a solution of baking soda and water. Be sure to dry it thoroughly before putting new batteries in.
Is the thermostat properly mounted?
The thermostat itself may not be properly mounted to the wall plate, which could cause it to not function correctly. 1. Ensure the thermostat is properly aligned and attached to the wall plate. 2. If it's not, remove the thermostat from the wall plate, wait for a few seconds, and then reattach it. This might help to reset the connection.
Have you reset your thermostat?
If you've tried everything above and the thermostat still isn't working, you may need to reset your thermostat. 1. Each Honeywell thermostat model has a slightly different reset procedure, but typically, it involves pressing a combination of buttons. 2. Refer to your thermostat's user manual for the exact reset instructions. Hopefully, these troubleshooting steps help get your Honeywell thermostat back in working order. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult your thermostat's user manual or reach out to Honeywell's customer service if you're unsure about any steps. Stay warm or cool, depending on the season, and we'll see you in our next troubleshooting adventure.